How to download a movie, series, or episode on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download something on Netflix. So first of all, open your Netflix app. Now once you've opened your Netflix app, simply log into your account, and if you're already logged in, choose a profile where you want to download. Now let's say you want to download some episodes of Money Heist. So in order to download it, simply tap on this little eye icon and then tap on episodes and info. Now scroll down and then you can choose which season you want to download, and once you've selected the season, you can simply download any episode you want by tapping this icon right over here, and then it will be added to your downloads. Now if you find it boring to download each and every episode, what you can do is there you'll see an option where you can download the entire season or series simply by tapping the option, and then it will download each and every episode of the series. So those were the ways on how you can download movies, series, or episodes on Netflix. And now if you want to view the downloads, you can simply tap on the downloads option on the bottom right corner of the screen, and now you can view all of the downloads you have done currently. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.